Hello. I'm trying to connect my Firman HO7552 generator to the house. An electrician installed a Nema 630R at the service box. The generator has a 30 amp L1430R outlet and a 50 amp L1450R outlet. I'd like to construct an extension to connect the generator to the house.
What have you tried so far with your outlet?
Just now exploring my options.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The extension needs to be at least 27 feet long.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is and I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. Please be patient as it takes time to type and provide links. Also note that the website may be sending you a telephone offer. The offer is not originating from me. Therefore, disregard the phone offer as it is only an option. I'm sorry to hear you're having problems. I know that can be frustrating. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. If you receive emails, those are originating from the website and not from me. I do not have your email address. 1. The electrician installed the incorrect Nema connection. A L1430R and/or L1450 requires 4 wires. E.2 hots, 1 neutral and 1 ground. 2. A Nema 630R is only 3 wires and contains 2 hots and 1 ground. You need a neutral wire. 3. Will you be backfeeding the house using the 30 or the 50 amp receptacle? I need to log off of here for about 1 hour and I will be back and we can continue. Thanks. Kevin.
1. Darn, I was afraid that was the case. I suppose I'll have to get him back out here. 3. That's correct, I will be backfeeding the house using either the 30 or 50, preferred, I believe, amp receptacle. This is a small, 1700 SF, house which uses propane for heat and cooking. My email address is,
Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the delay. 1. Since the generator has both 30 and 50 amp receptacles, I recommend that you take advantage and use the 50 amp. Install a 50 amp double pole breaker at the electrical panel for the backfed breaker. The exterior flanged inlet box needs to be a Nema 1450p. 2. The cord needs to be 4 wires comprised of 2 hots, 1 neutral and 1 equipment ground. Use 6 AWG copper for the 2 hots and 1 neutral. You can use 10 AWG copper for the equipment ground. 3. The best source for the cord receptacle and plug is to go to a local electrical supply store and get some Hubble locked receptacle and plug. You can also purchase some exterior rated 4 conductor cord at the local electrical supply store for the gen cord. 4. The main electrical panel either requires a transfer switch or an interlock kit to prevent generator power from backfeeding to the utility grid during a power outage. Does that help to answer your question? 1. The cord receptacle needs to be a Nema 1450R, flanged inlet end, and the cord plug needs to be a Nema 1450p, generator end. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off so I can receive credit for answering your question. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating as well as the bonus. Both are very much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. The next time you have a home improvement or an electrical question, place my name on the question and send it to my attention, Kevin, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Take care, stay safe, and have a great day. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.